now about to meet our couple. But before that, let's take a trip to memory lane because right now, from the couple, babasahin ko po ang love story nila na binigay po sa akin courtesy of Happy. Okay, so this is on the point of view of Happy before we meet our lovely couple for tonight. So, let me read to you Joshua and Happy's love story. According to Happy, siya po ang nagsulat nito. At 16 years old, I attended a church gathering. True Love Waits. At may isang activity doon na we need to do a human paper doll at ilalagay namin yung qualities or characteristics na gusto namin to our future husband. During that time, ang nasa isip ko, I wanted him to be taller than me, maputi, and syempre, yung may itsura at gwapo. After doing that, fast forward na tayo. I focus on pursuing my education and career while serving God's purpose in my life. I follow the stages of life, studying, earning, and marrying. Pero paano? Wala naman akong jowa. Then, I started praying and start writing to my future husband. Indeed, when you delight yourself to God, He will give you the desires of your heart. And neither did I know, habang nasa process ako ng waiting season ko, may nakaready na pala si Lord para sa akin. Josh and I met in the church 2016 as an acquaintance. Never naman pumasok sa isip ko na siya pala ang future husband ko. Until the year 2020 of December, while sitting at the church lounge with my church friends, Mamang Malu, Josh's mother, passed by and Ate Ann told her, Uy, papuntahin mo dito si Josh sa church. Baka mamaya, mag-asawa na rin tong si Happy. And suddenly, Mamang Malu responded to her, Oo nga eh, pinag-pray ko nga kay Lord sino ang para kay Joshua habang naglalaba kanina. Then, si Happy ang biglang pumasok sa isip ko na mapangasawa ni Joshua. Siyempre, na-shock ako. After a week, Joshua attended the church service at December 20, 2020. Yon, before the worship service ended, one of our church mates proposed to her girlfriend. After proposing, the people are already teasing me and Josh and wanted us to take pictures together. Mamang, Josh's mother, is so happy and the people around us is happy as well. Then I went home and looked back to my prayer book and letter to my future husband and asked God, Lord, si Josh na ba ang sagot ko sa prayer ko? Then 2021 of January 9, Josh asked me out for a date. Uy, with our Pastora Sara and our leaders, and in the same night, we became boyfriend and girlfriend with the blessings of our pastor. Parang ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. But we know that all things work together for good for those who love the Lord and called according to His purpose. God is always on time. On time si Lord sa pagsagot sa prayers ko, and kung paano ako iningatan at inihanda ng Diyos, ganun din si Josh. Josh is my first and last boyfriend. Same with him. I am her first and last girlfriend. The answer to my prayer. Ecclesiastes 3:11. He has made everything beautiful in His time. Truly, true love waits. And I would like to honor and thank God for writing our unique love story. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Josh and Happy's very blessed love story. And at this